Alrighty, I got a problem I just figured out, I'd like to share. So I got a 09 MX-5 Mazda. Just put the engine in it for a head gasket leak, as you can see. So I just put the engine in it, put it back together, runs fine, but the power steering was whining and foaming and overflowing, and couldn't figure it out. I thought it might be the oil cooler assembly. You see right there, because it was bent. The old radiator was bent up where something had hit it. So I was like, well, maybe when I bent it back, it got kinked or something. I disconnected that, bypassed it with a hose. Still the same thing. Thought, well, if it's got foam, it means it's getting air. And the only way you can get air is by sucking it on the suction side, which is this hose. So I've seen it before, this hose collapsed, but I tried another hose, same thing. So I've seen the reservoir filter, there's a screen in there get clogged, same thing. When the power steering pushes through, but it can't suck the fluid fast enough, is when it foams up and overflows. So I figured it out. There's an O-ring where that pipe goes on. As you can see, that bolt right there holds that pipe on. And I guess whenever I had the engine out, I dropped the subframe and everything. I moved it just enough, and this thing is hard as a rock and cracked. So replaced it, put it back together, and fixed it. I spent literally 5 hours trying to figure out this problem, and it was a 10-cent O-ring. Something to think about.